Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to send a payment request on Payoneer. Open the Payoneer website and log into your account. Go to Get Paid and click on Request Payment. If the client is already in your contacts, simply type in the name and choose from the drop-down. You can also check if they are among the names in the most recent list below. Then click Next. Next, include the date you would like to be paid by using the date picker on the right or entering it manually. This data will also act as a reference point for sending payment reminders. Once done, click Next. Before you hit the Request Payment button, you should click Preview to see the email, aka the payment request, that your client will receive. That is it. Your payment request will be sent along with the payment details. Your client will also be notified. If you prefer to reach out to the client personally, you can share a direct link to Payoneer's payment platform, where your clients can complete the payment on the spot. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.